Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super easy and quick eyeshadow look that is perfect for everyday wear. So let's get started. Also, if my eyelids seem a little pink, that is because I had used some bright pink eyeshadow. So to start off, I'm going to apply some primer. That was probably a little too much, so I'm going to take a little bit off and then we'll get on to the next step. I'm going to be using the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette to start. I'm going to take this shade right here and use that as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here just to deepen it up a little bit. Just going to put that in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. Now I'm just going to blend a little bit. Next I'm going to be taking the Super Shock shadow in Lady Bird, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Of course, if you don't want something quite so bold, you could use this shade here in this palette or another shimmer that you have in your collection. But anyways, I'm going to be doing my inner corner highlight and I'm going to be using this shade right here. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the darker of the two brown shades that we had used. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. I have to say this look did turn out a bit more glam than I had thought that it would. But I do have a couple other neutral eyeshadow tutorials that I will link somewhere in the cards. I'll do the lower lash line off camera and be right back. Here is the finished look. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I have been doing a lot of neutral looks lately. I'll probably do a few more colorful looks pretty soon, since I did just order the new Colourpop blue palette, so that will be coming up as soon as I get it. Anyways, I will link a couple of those neutral videos up in the cards if you wanted some more ideas. I'm really happy with how this look turned out, and I hope you like it as well. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!